So we're in Ojai, and I have always dreamt about living up here ever since I came to the United States, actually from Sweden. So we found this little property. It's a 1 acre in Upper Ojai, and we do split our time between LA and here. I found a space in town that was so amazing that I decided to do second decor, because decor my furniture and design stores in LA. And my husband, Brandon, has a restaurant in Carpinteria with his partner Warner, and they do seafood, which is really amazing. So I've created pretty much 3 areas where we entertain outside, which is, you know, in LA or in Ojai in California, always outside. So one is where we eat our dinner area where he cooks, we have drinks, and there's a big table. And the other one is the pool house we built, where we have these big doors that can open up, where we have game night and we can hang out and even watch a movie. And people can actually sleep over in there too. And then the tepee we built is great for parties, and then people actually sleep over there like a guest house.
What are we partaking of today at lunch, which I'm so excited about?
So we have some great springtime stuff. We got some English pea hummus, a French vinaigrette, which is basically Dijon mustard and oil and a little bit of garlic.
Not so good. It's amazing.
And then we have some local asparagus from Frecker Farms, and some sugar snap peas, and some cucumbers from Balick, and I have these beautiful tomatoes from Balick Farms in Fillmore. Some Little Dom's pickled peppers.
So let's just explain. You have 2 restaurants, and you go back and forth. You have one in LA.
Yes, Little Dom's has been around for 12 years now.
Then you also have one in Carpinteria.
Yes, we just opened up Little Dom's Seafood in Carpinteria, California.
So you go back and forth between the two.
And it's convenient because we have a house here in Ojai, so it's sort of in between.
In between. And unfortunately, on your probable day off, I'm making you cook for us. I'm sorry.
Exactly.
So what are you making for us besides this amazing?
So yes, we have a crudité on steroids.
Yes.
Along with some grilled bread from Roti, a bakery here in town. The tomatoes is going to be a little tomato and cucumber salad.
Yummy.
And then at work, we made some albacore pastrami, with some local albacore. Caught it in the Channel Islands. And then here, to top all the roasted vegetables and grilled vegetables that we did sort of a spring winter mix of veg. And then from the trees right behind you, about 2 months ago, I salted down some lemons and some pixie tangerines, and I made this to top all the vegetables with.
I'm excited. This looks amazing, and I love that everything here is pretty much local. Correct?
Yes.
Everything that we're eating today. You've either pulled from your tree, literally.
The olive oil, the bread. Trying to find something that's not. Maybe the ice, I don't know. Frecker Farm strawberries with coconut cream and coconut almond brittle, and some rosemary blossoms and some lavender from the garden.
Don't miss another video visit. Click on the orange Q to subscribe and have Quintessence virtually delivered from our doorstep to yours.